Hey traders, Jonathan here at ForexSchoolOnline.com. I've just thrown in my charts and I've spotted a setup in the 1 hour time frame of the Euro US dollar. Now this is my live account and you'll notice that you can see two sell lines here. I have shorted. The price action signal I'm trading is this very large bearish engulfing bar here. Okay, now I have spoken about this area in the members forum and I've let everyone know this was an absolute key area to keep an eye out for. I'm going to run you guys through this trade, why it's a great trade, show the area that I'm just talking about, then I'm going to turn the video off and come back and recap it to show you guys how I took profit and how I managed to trade. If we zoom out, we go back to a 4 hour chart just to check that the area it's formed at. Okay, so you'll notice to the left of the chart all these candle lows. Okay, now price come down and found support at these lows. Okay, that's why we've got all these candle bottoms. Now if we put a horizontal line through there, we would expect this area, if price to once broken through, we would expect this area to act as a resistance area. At this area is where on the 1 hour chart a bearish engulfing bar is formed. So I'll jump back to that 1 hour chart. This is where the bearish engulfing bar has formed. Now the way I'm playing this trade is pretty simple. As I said, I have just taken an order at the break. As traders have been watching these videos for a while now will know that most price action signals aren't actually validated until they've broken in the direction. Now I'm not going to go too much into that. That is for the advanced guys over in the course. However, the basic rule is unless it's broken in your direction, you shouldn't be in the trade most of the time. There is slight tweaks to this, but that is all over the website. The stop on this one now, to put a stop above the high, we're going to be left with a crazy massive stop, and for me on this scenario, it's just not worth the trade to have that many pips stop. The risk reward in this trade would have been very small. So all I've simply done is put it above these bar high highs or these candle highs. These should act as a relevant resistance level should price go back up. I'm going to leave the video there for the moment. I'll come back in a few hours time. It is now 10 o'clock my time, so I'll come back at either 12 or 1 o'clock. If not tomorrow morning, I'll show you guys how I play this trade and how I took profit. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Hey traders, it's Jonathan back again with the second part of this video. You'll notice now we are on the live chart as we were for the first part of this video, and you will notice the price has dropped substantially lower since the first part of this video when you place that live trade. To recap this trade, one of the most important things, well there was two important things to this trade. If I zoom this 1 hour chart that we're on out, the first thing you'll notice is the trend from left to right is down, and it's down in a pretty steady way on this 1 hour chart. If we zoom back into the setup, you'll notice that the area I played it at was a really solid support and resistance area. So we had this previous support that I covered in the first part had now turned to new resistance. Okay, so all I've done to manage this trade and play this trade was I look for a logical area. So I look for a logical support and resistance. You'll notice all this previous resistance, all these swing points through here. You'll notice I've got a horizontal line through there. What I've done to manage this trade, I've just now taken 50% profit off the table at this area. And I'm holding the other 50% and I'm looking to target these recent lows. But either way now, this is a winning trade as I have locked in the last 50% at break even. This was a pretty simple trade. Now, I do like to trade on the higher time frames, predominantly such as the daily and 4 hour and even the weekly when there's a nice setup. However, when these setups form on the 1 hour chart or the smaller time frames, they are just bread and butter setups. They're minimum risk and they have a high reward. So when you do see these, it's just you have to jump aboard because you know they're easy money making setups. I'm going to leave that video there for now. If you want to learn anything more about price action or how you can start to learn to trade minimum risk with high reward setups, jump on over at ForexSchoolOnline.com. We have heaps of free videos and heaps of free articles. We also run a members only course that has an advanced price action course along with the members only forum, members videos, members articles, and we've got a really nice little community going there at the moment. So I look forward to talking to you soon. All the best and safe trading.